Hi guys, this video is not related to WordPress, but I think I should make this video to let you know that actually we can support the COVID-19 project by using our computer. If you have a basic computer, have a GPU, graphic cards, you can do it this way. Firstly, you can go to the foldinghome.org, and then you just need to download the this installer, and then after you download, after you install, the process is pretty straightforward. You just need to click on the icon here. Click on the icon here. You can click on the web control and proceed with your setting, and set up your username. If you want to follow a theme, also can. And then this is a web control. And then if you want, you also can go into the advanced control. The advanced control, okay, for this PC, let me show you mine. This PC is quite old. It's a Xeon processor. It's a server processor with 12 gig ECC RAM, and then I have two GPU here. One is quite old, the 750 Ti, and another one is 1060. This one is 6 gig, this one is 2 gig. So in the advanced control, I pause my CPU because this CPU is I use this quite for a long time, and then I still do not replace the thermal paste yet. So right now I only use the 6 gig card to do the folding job. Then the setting is here. You can do it here. The setting is quite straightforward. Okay, so basically, if you choose the course preference, if you choose any, then mostly will go to the COVID-19. And then you can also specify if you want to support the cancer research or any disease research from here. And then the slot here, the CPU by default will use -1. The software will choose the best setting for you. If you want to set your thread, like for example, mine have a 4-core 8 thread. You also can set your thread you want to share here. So the setting is quite straightforward. So like this one, let me show you this one. Right now I am only folding using this GPU. This GPU right now I'm supporting the coronavirus project. So after you finish folding, and then you'll get some points, and then you can see your own statistics from here. And then if you have a better GPU, you can contribute more to this project. I think this one is quite good. Okay. Another thing I would like to highlight here, if you are folding using your GPU, actually you can download another program. We call it GPU Z. You can just Google for it, and then this program will tell you how many GPU you have right now. Like for example, right now I have this 1060 6 gig card, and then the memory is Samsung. This one will tell you a lot of the data from here, and then you can also monitor right now the power consumption. This one, my TDP is 150 watts, so right now I'm only using up to 30%. So this one, you can also do some overclock or undervolt. Personally, right now I am doing some undervolt. I am using MSI Afterburner. This one is my temperature right now. You see this one, the temperature is confirmed by two software 60, because I want to keep my GPU cool. Actually, this one you can set the power limit lower, maybe to 50, to make the GPU cooler. And then some of the card actually you can't undervolt using MSI Afterburn. I use another one. We call it NVIDIA Inspector. And then this is my setting. Actually, this is my setting. I have two GPU here, because right now I'm using this 1060. I set the power limit to 60, the fan speed to 60, And then the memory clock, I do not overclock, I also do not underclock. And then the base clock, I also do not touch anything, I only undervolt. Well, right now you can see that the voltage that I set is 785 7 this one. Okay, let me show you this one, the voltage, because we can't undervolt using MSI afterburner here. I'm using the NVIDIA inspector to undervolt. Let me show you where's the sorry about that. This one, you see I fix it to this one, the millivoltage, so that my card will stay cool. If you do not undervolt, maybe this one will go to maybe 68 degrees, 70, still okay for a GPU. But I just want to make everything stay cool, because right now I do not turn off this computer and then let it folding. Does it contribute to the COVID-19 project? I did had another rig here. Let me show you. This one is my this one is a RX card. It's not an NVIDIA card. I have a 580, 560, 570, and then this one, the processor is quite a little bit slow. I only have 2 cores, so I also pause the processor for folding. So right now, let me show you my statistic here. And then because my CPU only have 2 core, 2 thread, so in order to support 3, I can't do that, because GPU folding will take 1 CPU thread, so I only can run 2 at the moment. So right now I just let the system pick the best for the project. The system pick this one. This one is RX 560 and then I really hope that the system will pick another one, because another one can have a better hashing power. So right now this one is my overclock setting. The RX card, I'm able to undervolt using MSI afterburn. The NVIDIA card I can't. The 580 I undervolt it to 850 millivolt, and then this one is my setting if you want to have a look. Okay, thank you.